like afternoon. So, do you have Python installed in your system?
It's not installed. I use this like online one that my teacher like showed us. I used to have it installed on my own laptop, but not on this one.
Oh, so you're joining with your mom's laptop right now.
No, this is my
So,
laptop, but my old one used to have it. I got
okay,
the laptop, so I never downloaded it after that.
fine. So the new file I'm just creating here, and let us do the code. So yeah, like what we are just going to do now. Let's create a very let's just to do something kind of. We will be saying hello, right? By
Okay.
taking input, like we'll just ask user to enter the name, and then we'll say hello. Okay.
Okay.
So let us just take the name. So name equal. So we are just creating a variable, right? So we'll be
Yeah.
just taking the input. So input function is a function that we use to take user input in
Yeah.
Python. Yep. So we used to put this double quote. Instead of double quote, you can put single quote also. Somewhere
Okay.
you'll see, some places you'll see the single quote, some places you'll see the double quote. They both are same for Python. Python
Okay.
like don't differentiate these two. Okay. So it's your choice. Okay. So like now what we'll do, we are having print function in Python that we use to print something over the screen. So if you want to print the variable value, right? So we'll just write the variable name as it is, right? If you want to type some string, like this name is a variable for us, right?
Yes.
So if you'll write it in, like, let me just show you first what we are getting. Okay, let me just save it first. So we are saving the Python file with .py extension, okay? So what
Okay.
the extension is like, it just tells your computer which type of file it is and where to open, right? So if you know the encoding, decoding stuff, so you will be aware, right? All the things will be stored in the computer system in binary. So for everything, there'll be specific software to decode that. So that's why we are using extension stuff. Okay. So that it can
Okay.
tell your computer where to decode it, where which software will be able to decode, right? Okay,
Okay.
fine. Right now let me just give you a name and enter. So can you see it says printing your name? But what if I'll be just doing one thing? Need to take space here. What if I'll be just putting it in double quotes? So what are we going to get?
If you put it in, it'll be name. It'll say name.
Okay. You see? Like it is
Yeah.
not printing the value. Why? Because we are just putting it in double quote. Right?
Okay.
So if we want to get the value, so we are just supposed to get like put it out of the double quotes, right?
Yeah.
So we'll see a message. Okay, where is it going? So we'll put comma and then we'll put the variable name. So what it will be saying, whatever name we'll enter, it will just say welcome to learn Python and the name,
Yeah.
right?
Okay.
Yep. So we'll say if I say this, so it will say welcome to learn Python here, right? So
Yeah.
that's the thing, right? So, but do you know about f string?
F string?
Yep. Do
I
you know
don't.
about that? Like we just don't need to put comma within this only. We can just do like this, and we will be writing it for here only using curly braces. So let's see both of the ways. Okay. So it will be like same without putting the comma. Means like sometimes we know in the same print function we'll be writing three variable value in between the sentences we wanna keep, right? Like I'll be
Yeah.
just showing you the example also. Can you see? So it is
Yeah.
working same, right? But if like right here, we were not supposed to, it was not that important to use because everything was already sorted, right, for us. But if you will be just doing this, like I'll just if I'll be doing this thingy, and after this I wanna say you are this year old, right?
Yeah. Mhm.
So if we'll be using the previous way, so obviously two times double quotes will be closing and then we'll put a comma and then we'll be just doing it. I'll show you like that. Let me just first use the previous way. First we should show the problem, then the solution. Then the problem will be like having some value. So you are uh, age years old. What is it? Okay. So is it looking more simple or previous one was looking simple? Let me just run you and show. So if I'm saying this and I think this is 15 maybe or 16. So can
Yeah,
you see
50.
this?
Hmm.
Yeah. So it's like, welcome to Learn Python, Leah. You are 15 years old, right? So it
Yeah.
is saying this message. But if we'll be just, can you say how many times we just close the double quote here, then comma, then this? Like we are just doing
Yeah.
so much drama in it, right? So instead
Yeah.
of that, we can sort it with a curly braces like this. We just don't need this thing. Okay.
Okay.
So that's the good thing about like F string. This is why we are using in our programming, like in this Python stuff. Understood?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look.
Okay, because when I normally do it, I use the commas as well. So
Hmm? You are using that only, right?
I use the commas. I don't use the brackets.
Yeah, this is why I'm telling something new. Okay. So did you get this thing?
Yeah.
Do you wanna try it your own?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Should I send this code or like you'll just type?
I can type it in.
Okay, fine. So you can show like by looking at the code or you will just type it your own. I should give stop sharing.
Um, I can try doing it by myself.
It's
Um,
exactly same thing, like nothing new.
okay.
Yeah. So which section you are doing right now? Like two, right?
Well, right now we
Can you save the code over here?
yeah, I can.
Oh, so I think you have created account in it, right?
This is my Google account. So I mean, I've used it, I think once before on this laptop. On my old one, I used it multiple times.
Fine,
Mm.
let's do it.
You said F brackets. Um, org.
You're fast learner, so there is no problem.
Thank
Yeah, means like as bad you told yourself, like you were just telling about you in CS. I can't see anything bad over here. Everything is already great.
thank
Like we just
you.
need to do like a little effort. Yeah, it's fine. But we'll just go through everything and then it will be like everything will come normal for you. Look, you did it.